viewers, welcome back to BRG News once again. Amit Shah congratulated DRDO for successful flight testing of BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. He said it shows Atmanirbhar Bharat and India's defense potential. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Wednesday, September 29 hailed the Defense Research and Development Organization for the successful flight testing of the indigenously developed BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. Congratulating DRDO, the Union Minister said that the state-of-the-art weapon was a testimony to the Atmanirbhar Bharat resolve and India's defense potential. According to the official press release by the Ministry of Defense, BrahMos surface-to-surface supersonic cruise missile featuring indigenous booster and airframe section along with many other made-in-India subsystem was successfully flight tested for designated range at 10:30 hours on September 30, 2020 from ITR Balasore in Odisha. It is one major step in enhancing the indigenous content. The ministry further said that the BrahMos land attack cruise missile was cruising at a top speed of Mach 2.8. The successful launch has paved the way for the serial production of the indigenous booster and other indigenous components of the powerful BrahMos weapon system, realizing Atmanirbhar pledge, it added. Today is the 75th birthday of India's President Ramnath Kovind. Prime Minister Narendra Modi greets him on his birthday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted President Ramnath Kovind on his 75th birthday on Thursday and praised him for his rich insights and wise understanding of policy matters, saying they are great assets for our nation. Kovind was born on this day in 1945 at Paranak village in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. He was sworn in as the President of India on July 25, 2017. PM Modi tweeted, "Birthday wishes to Rashtrapati Ji. His rich insights and wise understanding of policy matters are great assets for our nation. He is extremely compassionate towards serving the vulnerable. I pray for his good health and long life." India to build 100-bedded cancer hospital and 22,000-seater cricket stadium in Maldives. India on Wednesday announced that it will build a 100-bedded cancer hospital and a 22,000-seater cricket stadium in Halhumail, Maldives. The two projects will be built using the USD 800 million line of credit that was extended to the country last year, the Indian Embassy in Maldives informed. Furthermore, the modern cricket stadium using the latest technology and a capacity to sit 22,000 spectators will also come up in Halhumail under the USD 800 million LOC, the embassy said in another tweet. Projects covered under the LOC include several infrastructure development projects. Last month, India had extended a USD 250 million loan to the Maldives government to mitigate the impact of COVID-19. In which the State Bank of India will subscribe to a treasury bond issued by the Maldives government with a 10-year tenure. Indian Embassy on Madagascar to become solar-powered on Gandhi Jayanti. The Indian Embassy in Madagascar is set to become solar-powered on the 150th birth anniversary celebration of Mahatma Gandhi on Friday, October 2. It is said to become the first Indian embassy to switch to solar energy after the installation of 8 kilowatts of the solar power plant on its rooftop. Indian ambassador to Madagascar Abhay Kumar tweeted about the transition on Wednesday. According to the official statement, the solar-powered Clean and Green Indian Embassy will inaugurated on October 2 by Ministry of Environment and Sustainable Development of Madagascar and Ambassador Kumar. The inauguration will also be attended by Mary Diamond, Resident Representative of UND, Resident Representative of UNIDO, Country Representative and Country Director of World Wide Fund. India and Madagascar are members of the International Solar Alliance and both countries strive to use solar energy to fight climate change and environmental pollution. Before going any further, let's take a break.
BRG Group
once again after the break. NASA will award $5 million if you figure out how to manage energy on moon. NASA's endeavor to explore outer space has a major challenge yet unattended. The US Space Agency is looking for ways to manage energy on the other celestial bodies. It has now turned to the public for any possible answers. NASA, in partnership with Herox, a crowdsourcing platform, has announced the What's on the Moon challenge. As part of the challenge, the enthralled teams will have to propose solutions for energy distribution management and or storage that address NASA technology gaps. The solution should be able to help NASA's future operation on the lunar surface. Herox in a post clarifies that the solutions to the challenge can also have a terrestrial appeal, meaning it can possibly be a solution to help advance similar technologies for terrestrial application and commercialization. NASA and Herox are taking entries for the challenge right now, and winners stand a chance to win up to $5 million as per the challenge posted by NASA. FSSAI issued new guidelines for the shops of sweets and snacks. Now it is mandatory to have manufacturing date and best before date on the packets of sweets and snacks. According to the guidelines of FSSAI organization, now it is mandatory to have manufacturing date and best before date on the packets of sweets and snacks. Due to this, today the Food Safety Department of Vadodara Municipal Corporation held the search operation in many shops. During the search process, the retailers were informed about the new guidelines. From today, the consumers will get to know the manufacturing date and best before date of the sweets. Food Safety Department has started to take actions for the safety and health of people.
આજે નવા કાયદા મુજબ દરેક સ્વીટ પર સ્ટીકર ચોંટાડવાનું ત્યાં સુધી આ ચાલશે બરાબર. લગભગ તો અમે નિયમનો ફોલો કર્યો છે અને થોડી ઘણી ભૂલો છે કંઈ હશે એમની ગાઈડલાઈન મુજબ સુધારો કહેશે એ રીતે કરીશું અમે. હતી એટલે તો અમે તૈયારી લગભગ કરી છે, પણ એમના બધું શું ગાઈડલાઈન હોય પૂરી જાણકારી નથી એટલે અમે અમારા હિસાબે કરી. હવે એમના નિયમ પ્રમાણે કરીશું.
ખાસ કરીને જે માવાની કાજુની મીઠાઈ બનાવવામાં આવે છે વેપારીઓ દ્વારા, તો એ લોકોએ આજથી ફરજિયાતપણે ટ્રે ઉપર દર્શાવવાનું છે કે એ મીઠાઈ એમને ક્યારે બનાવી છે અને એ કેટલા દિવસમાં યુઝ કરવાના છે. એટલે ડેટ ઓફ મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ અને બેસ્ટ બિફોર મેન્શન કરવાનું છે ટ્રે ઉપર સ્ટીકર મારીને. એમાં ડેટ ઓફ મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ છે એ મેન્ડેટરી નથી, બેસ્ટ બિફોર મેન્ડેટરી છે. એટલે હાલમાં જ FSSAI દ્વારા ગાઈડલાઈન બહાર પાડવામાં આવી છે કે માવાની મીઠાઈ જે હોય છે તો એની સેલ્ફ લાઈફ એટલી બધી નથી હોતી, એટલે વેપારીઓ દ્વારા એવું ફરજિયાતપણે જણાવવામાં આવે કે મીઠાઈની સેલ્ફ લાઈફ કેટલી છે. એટલે દરેક ટ્રે ઉપર જે વેચવા માટે મૂકે છે ડિસ્પ્લેમાં એના ઉપર મેન્શન કરવાનું છે કે એ મીઠાઈ કેટલા દિવસ ચાલશે, કેટલા દિવસ સુધી સારી રહેશે, ગ્રાહકોને કેટલા દિવસ સુધી એ તાજી ખાવા મળશે, એટલા માટે સ્ટીકર દ્વારા દર્શાવવાનું છે.
Today is World Postcard Day, because of which day was celebrated at various post office headquarters and people were enlightened about the history and importance of postcard. Today is 1st October and it is celebrated as World Postcard Day in the world. From the last 51 years, postcard is the medium of communication. Today at Vadodara's postal headquarters, a special program was held by the Gujarat Postal Circle in which the postcard was presented in the form of traditional toy of Kutch, and the history of postcard was enlightened. Due to the digitalization, the use of postcard has been decreased, and that has eliminated the touch of emotions that people used to get from the postcard. The World Postcard Day was also celebrated as the headquarters of Raupura Postal Office.
1 ઓક્ટોબરના અનુસંધાનમાં 1 ઓક્ટોબરે વર્લ્ડ પોસ્ટકાર્ડ ડે જે છે તેને 151 વર્ષ પૂરા થયા. તેના અનુસંધાનમાં ગુજરાત પોસ્ટલ સર્કલ મારફતે આજે બરોડા ખાતે એક સ્પેશિયલ કેન્સલેશન ઇસ્યુ કરવામાં આવેલો છે, પોસ્ટકાર્ડ કેન્સલેશન. એ ઉપરાંત ગુજરાત સર્કલના અમારા ચીફ પોસ્ટ માસ્ટર જનરલ સાહેબ ખરા એમના મારફતે જે કચ્છના ટ્રેડિશનલ ટોયઝ કે એના ઉપર પણ એક સ્પેશિયલ પોસ્ટકાર્ડ ઇસ્યુ કરવામાં આવેલો હતો કે જે ટ્રેડિશનલ ટોયઝને વધારે પબ્લિસિટી મળે અને એનો વધારે પ્રચાર થાય એના માટે મન કી બાતમાં મોદી સાહેબે પણ એનો એક ઉલ્લેખ કરેલો હતો. તેના અનુસંધાનમાં એક પોસ્ટકાર્ડ ઇસ્યુ સર્કલ મારફતે પણ કરવામાં આવેલા છે. નો ડાઉટ અત્યારે જે સિચ્યુએશન છે એ પ્રમાણે જે લાગણીઓ વ્યક્ત કરવા માટે ઘણા બધા મીન્સ છે, પણ જે પોસ્ટકાર્ડ છે એ પોસ્ટકાર્ડમાં જે લાગણી શબ્દોમાં વ્યક્ત કરવામાં આવે છે એની એક મજા અલગ છે ને એનો સંગ્રહ અને એને ભવિષ્યમાં પણ એને એક યાદગાર તરીકે આપણે એને જોઈ શકીએ છીએ.
That's all for today's news. We BRG News team assures to keep you updated. Till then, stay safe.